today we are off to Thailand. We're about to head to the airport. We fly out at 2 with Thai Airways. We haven't flown with them before. I think it's like an 8-hour flight, 9-hour flight, something like that. I've got this new top and like a little just dress because I figured we're going into like 35-degree weather. So I thought something casual. And yeah, I'm just gonna take you along to see Thailand. We're going to Hua Hin and Bangkok. This kicks off my travel month. 18 days to LA and then 25 days till I'm hitting Quebec. So that's super close. But yeah, this will be just the intro to my Thai vlogs. I don't know if I'm going to do one video or 2 videos, but we'll see. From GOT has just arrived in Bangkok, and we're contemplating trying to do a meetup because when she leaves Bangkok for Chiang Mai, I come from Hua Hin to Bangkok, so we were hoping that we could cross over. That's the plan, which means I'll have less days here, but that's okay. It means I get to see Georgia before I go off. Tonight, actually, we are heading outside the resort to get some fish. But we're looking at some pier restaurants that are kind of just like 5 minutes down the road. I have a feel of what's good and not dodgy. I'll finish this vlog bit only because I've been talking forever. Yeah, last night got a bit hectic. We went to a Thai restaurant. It was called like Chao, and it was like a seafood restaurant. And we just had a lot of fun. And then Dad got conned into buying like a bobblehead dog. It was so funny. Tomorrow is my last day in Hua Hin. I leave first thing in the morning to catch my 6 a.m. 4-hour train to Bangkok to see Georgia. And yeah, I'm excited to kind of see her and experience Bangkok and the main strip and the backpacker lifestyle. And then I'll meet up with my family afterwards. There's a lot happening the week when I come home. But yeah, I think this video is going to be very long. I'm definitely going to do a second video for Bangkok, but I don't think we're doing a lot of the temples and things because I'd already done that. So if you see up in the suggestions, I'll put my old Bangkok video up and my old Hua Hin video up just to kind of compare. I will leave this here and I'm sure I'll have heaps of clips from the water park.